Scott Tanner coming to you live right here at Sunset Kia of Auburn, and we have one of my really good friends, Aaron Monaco. Aaron, how you doing, my brother?
What's up, people? Doing good.
You're doing good. So
Doing
today,
good.
you called me this morning and said, Tanner, I need a truck. I need a lifted truck. Here, in fact, we're gonna get that. And you came down, not to be confused with the other 800 pre-owned vehicles that we have. Found you a truck. How was the experience, my friend?
You know, I described it to you, you and the team, and you guys just produced the truck right away. It's got everything I need, everything I want. I'm pretty happy about the whole deal.
Perfect.
So,
Any
appreciate
pressure,
it.
any stress?
Come on.
There was none.
You're in a car lot, man.
And
Is there any pressure, any stress?
No,
No,
not here.
sometimes.
Not
Maybe,
here.
Maybe just internally.
Internally, yeah, I read a peer pressure stress.
A little bit.
Both of us. I want to say congratulations, my friend. Thanks for
Thank you, brother.
Thanks for coming out.
Thanks for making
And
it happen.
by the way, did you know this? If you refer somebody, you get $300. It's that
Oh, I got a
simple.
list of people.
Bring him on down. $300 for Aaron.
All
And
right.
drinks are on him.
No.
Hey, what's up? I'm Aaron Monaco, and I just experienced the Scott Tanner Sunset Experience.
Congratulations.
Thanks, brother. See
Have
you
a good
later.
one, man.
Bye.